This sucker's pretty dirty. It's gonna wait for it to drain all the way. So to remove that, I'm just using my universal wrench. This one right here. So in the description I'll include all the parts or tools I use for this. I just want to show you the oil. See, it's pretty dirty. The oil is right here, in between right here. These two small holes right here. That's good. But if it's below here, you don't have to add oil to